Yeah, push it, mate, push it. The traffic on this road, eh? Come on, Billy boy. See, mate. Isn't there quite right? So we're in Whangaimoana today. We're doing a bit of land-based fishing. So it's been a while since been out fishing actually. I did actually do a couple of videos on the kayak, but I didn't catch anything, so I didn't post. But this is Whangaimoana. So we've got Lake Ferry that's a bit more popular with people fishing on the right-hand side. But we're fishing at this spot here. And see how it goes. So it looks like a nice beach for swimming, but it's actually very dangerous for swimming here. Right, looks like a nice day for it though. Right then, boys. Oh, on. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe, maybe not. Okay, we've got on. Bit of action, man, bit of action. Nothing? Oh, bummer.
It went on for a while.
It went, didn't it?
Yeah, it did.
There's something definitely showing a bit of interest there.
I bet I've no bait.
So yeah, it's been a bit of a quiet start here so far, but you know, that's fishing, it can turn in any minute. There's quite a few of us. I reckon there's probably about 20 fishermen down the coast here today. Yeah, so we've been losing a bit of bait, but we just pulled this one in. So we just got this crab, which we're going to use as bait. So yeah, should be pretty cool. Put some crab on there. Might as well leave the prawn on there as well. But yeah, put the crab claw on there. Let's see where we go. Right, and there's got a bit of cotton here as well. Just tie that one on. We're just using a sinker, just so it will stay out there as well. So we got like crab and pilchard.
Monkey. Oh, nice.
Oh, nice, man.
Blue monkey on the old crab.
Dude, hey.
The crab.
On the crab?
On the crab.
Okay, lovely.
Good eating too.
So got a good blue monkey here. Well, it's a nice fish. It's a very nice fish. Hold it up, man, so we can see the size.
Yeah, it's good size blue monkey for the beach.
Yeah, man.
That's a good one. Good blue monkey
Good
for
one.
the beach.
Take
Monkey,
one
mate.
with the Darren.
Yeah.
Darren, I'll take
Hold it, mate, and then I'll grab it.
My line stool.
Yeah, nice fish, man. Nice fish. Yeah, so we deal with that one. And that's a blue monkey. Let's get this out. So the burley's here as well. We just, that burley seems, as soon as we put the burley out, we get our first fish. So, could be a good sign. Thought I had a bite there, you see. False alarm, mate, false alarm. Bring that burley round, I reckon. So we put the burley down. There's got any more burley in now. Plenty of burley in there. It's not exactly doing it. Tide's gone out, see now, so need to give us a bit more rope, eh? Chuck this burley down a bit. Hey, here we go. Yep. I'll have your burley boy. So they got a Contiki there, a motorised device. It takes out your line and then has, or your master line, your main line, and then it has all hooks coming down to bring it out, leave it for a set time, and then pull it in. Come on. Huh? Yeah. You reckon?
Yeah, much better.
Yeah, because you needed that, eh? Oh, come on, man. Let's get some fish. Yeah, look, another one of these crabs. Yeah. Another crab. Nice. Yeah. Okay, you know what they say? Go big or go home. So we're going half a crab on each. Yeah. Just tied them on with a bit of thread. Got a lot of burley down. It's that burley pot is full. I'm going to move the burley pot round in a minute. And yeah. Yeah. I don't think so. Oh. Yeah, no, stay on.
This is Mark's false alarm, you know. He always gets excited. He hardly catch any fish.
Okay, so not a great amount of fish caught, 0, but it's a cool experience and that. Really nice to do some land-based fishing in New Zealand. Nice to come to a new area. That's what fishing is all about. Some days you just don't catch fish. When I post a video, it looks like I catch fish all the time, but just so you know, last 3 times I've been out, including today, no fish at all. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Blow, blow. Not nice now. So I think the fish is cooked.